Hey, let me show you what you can do if your AirPods Pro 3 won't connect into your iPhone, iPad, or any other device. So first of all, you will have to just turn off Bluetooth on your device. And now we have to perform a factory reset of this device. So first of all, we'll have to close this charging case and then quickly, we have to just open it with both AirPods inside and double tap here, double tap again, and double tap for the third time. Now this one will turn into the red or amber color and it will just simply reset everything to the default state. Now it will turn white, it will enter for the pairing mode automatically. So now on your device you will have to turn on Bluetooth back. I'm gonna actually get rid of my accessory. There we go. And now we should find them on the other devices list. If it is not working for some reason, then you can try to turn on that Bluetooth off and on one more time. You can also try to simply, switch off and switch on your phone. But as you can see now, after a few seconds, we will be successfully connected. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's quite simple. All you have to do is just to simply reset your AirPods Pro 3 or restart your device. But sometimes you can also reset the network settings or Bluetooth settings, depends on your device model. So that's all. Thanks for watching.